wheel swaps. Old. Newer. So the vehicles my buddy from Gerald's diecast garage gave me, so told him I was gonna. So, and I did get another bone shaker, a couple more. So that's the open top one. Yeah, I don't know. Wheel swap. Yeah. And yeah, it's not done yet. Yeah, that's going to be a gift for a friend. So yeah, I'm just looking into some stuff. See if I can get proper decals for it, because I designed a logo for her son's drift car. So anyway, yeah. So, and of course, she will be repainted. I don't think I'd change the mags on that for the world. And this one, she's staying as is. Lots and lots of height.